The starfish get its name from the venomous, long spikes that cover its body. They live and feed on coral polyps when the species becomes overpopulated. It can destroy vast coral reef ecosystems. The locust is a type of short-horned grasshopper. The swarms can cover hundreds of thousands of miles and consist of billions of locusts. They are migratory and can quickly strip a whole field of vegetation. According to the UN Food and Agriculture Organization, cattle farming is responsible for 18% of greenhouse gases. Cattle emit a large volume of methane through flatulence. Cattle ranking is also a major source of deforestation around the world. The common carp. The common carp is a true bottom feeder, uprooting and disturbing vegetation. These fish are notorious for altering their environment. The goats. Goats can have negative effect on habitat that are not adapted to them. They can be voracious grazers often, with a taste for native scrub trees and other vegetation. The cane toad. Cane toad have become wildly successful as an invasive species in Oceania. They are introduced to foreign habitat to eradicate agricultural pests and are most dangerous to native wildlife because their poison glands are toxic to birds, mammals, fish and reptiles. The bark beetle. Many species of bark beetle choose dead or rotten wood to reproduce in. But several are known to attack and kill live trees. Whole strands of forest can be destroyed if bark beetle numbers get out of control. The rats. Rats can be the bearers of disease, and rats population outbreaks can cause substantial food loss. Humans. Of all the animals on Earth, humans are the most environmentally destructive. It is usually humans who are to blame for the major imbalance: global warming, extinction crisis, overharvesting of land and sea, overpopulation and industry. So which of them is most destructive? Please leave a comment.